skincare isn't just for women, men need an effective routine too. With the right products, you can keep your skin clean, clear, and hydrated while addressing specific issues like acne or dryness. Today, we'll explore the top 5 skincare products for men that deliver noticeable results. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to build a straightforward yet impactful skincare regimen. Let's dive into these game-changing products tailored for every man. Kicking off our list at number 1, Clinique for Men Charcoal Face Wash. Clinique for Men Charcoal Face Wash is a powerful cleanser designed to detoxify your skin. The activated charcoal works wonders in drawing out impurities and excess oil, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and deeply cleansed. Key features: this face wash features activated charcoal to detoxify the skin, glycerin to maintain hydration, and caffeine to energize the skin. Its fragrance-free formula ensures it's suitable for sensitive skin types, making it a versatile choice for men with varying skincare needs. Benefits and usage: this product is particularly effective for men with oily or combination skin. It removes dirt and grime from deep within the pores without overdrying. To use, wet your face with warm water, apply a small amount of the cleanser, and massage gently in circular motions before rinsing thoroughly. Usability: the gel-based consistency spreads easily, ensuring you only need a small amount for effective cleansing. It's suitable for daily use, either in the morning to wake up your skin or at night to remove impurities from the day. Durability: a single tube lasts several months even with regular use, making it a cost-effective addition to your skincare routine. The sturdy packaging also makes it travel-friendly, so you can maintain your skincare routine on the go. In the second spot, we have Anthony Glycolic Facial Cleanser. The Anthony Glycolic Facial Cleanser is a multitasking product that not only cleanses but also exfoliates and preps your skin for shaving. With glycolic acid as its hero ingredient, it delivers smoother, brighter skin with consistent use. Key features: this cleanser contains 4.9% glycolic acid to gently exfoliate, aloe vera to soothe, and vitamin C to brighten. It's designed to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reduce signs of aging, making it a comprehensive solution for men's skincare. Benefits and usage: it's perfect for men with normal to oily skin, helping to prevent breakouts and ingrown hairs. Apply a dime-sized amount to damp skin, massage gently, and rinse thoroughly. Use it in the morning to prep your skin for shaving or at night to remove buildup. Usability: the lightweight formula ensures it rinses off easily, leaving no greasy residue. It's mild enough for daily use, but effective enough to show results after just a few applications. Durability: the cleanser's concentrated formula means you only need a small amount per use, ensuring the bottle lasts for months. Its sleek, sturdy packaging makes it a reliable travel companion for maintaining skincare routines. Coming in at number 3 is the Lumin Charcoal Cleanser. The Lumin Charcoal Cleanser is specially formulated to combat the environmental stressors that men's skin faces daily. Infused with activated charcoal, it's designed to thoroughly cleanse while nourishing the skin. Key features: this cleanser features activated charcoal to purify, Centella asiatica extract to soothe, and licorice root extract to brighten. Its unique blend targets clogged pores and uneven skin tones while maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Benefits and usage: ideal for men living in urban environments or with oily skin, this cleanser removes pollutants and excess sebum. Use it twice daily, massaging a small amount onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. Usability: the smooth, gel-like consistency ensures it glides effortlessly over the skin. Its gentle formula prevents overdrying, making it suitable for both morning and nighttime use. Durability: a little goes a long way with this cleanser, as its concentrated formula delivers results without needing excessive amounts. Its minimalist packaging and sturdy design make it a long-lasting and travel-friendly option. Taking our 4th spot is Lab Series Multi-Action Face Wash. The Lab Series Multi-Action Face Wash is a luxurious cleanser designed for men seeking an all-in-one solution. It cleanses, exfoliates, and conditions, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Key features: this face wash contains gentle exfoliating beads, vitamins E and C for nourishment, and glycerin for hydration. Its creamy formula effectively removes dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, leaving the skin refreshed and ready for the day. Benefits and usage: this cleanser suits all skin types, from dry to oily. The exfoliating beads provide gentle scrubbing without causing irritation. Use it daily by massaging a small amount onto wet skin, focusing on areas prone to buildup, then rinse thoroughly. Usability: the creamy texture ensures a thorough cleanse without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. It's especially useful for men who prefer a simple yet effective skincare routine. Durability: the large tube ensures great value, lasting several months even with consistent use. Its sturdy, leak-proof packaging is ideal for travel or gym bags, making it convenient for men on the go. And finally, at number 5, we have Neutrogena Men Skin Clearing Acne Wash. Neutrogena Men Skin Clearing Acne Wash is a dermatologist-recommended product designed to combat breakouts and maintain clear skin. Its salicylic acid-based formula penetrates deep into the pores to tackle acne at its root. Key features: this acne wash features 2% salicylic acid to fight acne, glycerin for hydration, and menthol for a refreshing feel. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, and gentle enough for daily use, making it an excellent choice for acne-prone skin. Benefits and usage: it's ideal for men struggling with occasional breakouts or persistent acne. Apply a small amount to damp skin, massage gently, and rinse thoroughly. Use it twice daily for best results. Usability: the lightweight gel formula ensures it spreads easily and rinses off cleanly. Its refreshing menthol finish gives your skin a cool sensation, making it great for morning use. Durability: a single bottle lasts for weeks, even with regular use. The sturdy, easy-to-use packaging ensures convenience and keeps the product fresh over time. Good skincare isn't just about looking great, it's about feeling confident and maintaining healthy skin. With options like Clinique's detoxifying wash, Anthony's exfoliating cleanser, or Neutrogena's acne-fighting formula, there's a product for every need. Invest in your skin today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.